Housing prices in Australia have increased dramatically over the past 10 years, especially in big cities such as Sydney and Melbourne. And it is estimated that it will go on for quite a while. But what are the reasons for this growth? Well, the first factor here is the fact that the rate of mortgage has halved, which encouraged basically everyone to borrow from banks and buy a house. The second factor is the increased purchasing power of all walks of life, which means owning a house is more affordable for Australians. And the third contributing factor here is the immigration policies stipulated by the federal government. These policies have allowed more immigrants to come to Australia. Therefore, the demand for housing has gone up, and consequently, the house prices went higher than ever before.